I'm having little bit shiver because this is my first micro teaching. That's why.
Where you completed so many micro?
Yes, sir.
Are you from Bhopal?
No, sir. Stop. Okay, Sudhana ma'am has come here. And Nishar ma'am. And Krishna Priya ma'am. Could you please draw a tree? Tree. Yes. Me. Draw a house. Mountains. What is that, ma'am? Is that bird a cap?
Just imagine. Students will draw same like that.
What is this? Imagine this. Ah, yes. So these are the parts in the. These all are comes under the atmosphere and nature. Anything around us is the nature. So we all love the nature. Do you all love the nature?
Yes.
Why do we love the nature?
Nature is the natural home.
Ah,
you
yes.
can find food in the natural only.
Yes, nature gives us pleasant feelings. Nature makes us happier. Nature reduce our depression, stress, anxiety, everything. We feel happy in the nature. How do we feel happy in the nature and why? Because of
they uses. I mean, we are using nature as.
why? Because we are having pleasant feelings. When we look at the trees and butterflies and animals, that time we feel like we are in the heaven. So that much of feel we like. So we all like nature. So that's why nature likes us. So we all like nature. That's why nature loves us. So today my topic is. Sorry. Now I am going to write the yellow was here. Trees and look at these beautiful flowers. What do you feel?
You feel pleasant.
You feel pleasant.
Yes, we feel pleasant. And do you know we are in the nature, that time we feel so happy. And nature helps us to reduce our depression, stress, anxiety and our anger also. Do you know the Green Panther? Do you know the meaning of Green Panther? Who? No, ma'am. Nature lover. Who is the Green Panther? Yes, nature lover. We are celebrating Nature Day on July 28th. So we are constructing the industries and factories as well as buildings as well as houses like that. So we can't place anywhere to field and we can't place anywhere to field. So that's why we are having air pollution, soil pollution,
Water pollution.
air pollution, soil pollution.
Sound pollution.
Yes. Plastic in oceans and rivers. So it causes global warming and it causes increasing the global temperatures also. So that time we can't imagine our life without the natural resources. What is the natural resources?
Water, air, sunlight.
Yes, very good.
Water, air.
etc. That means etc. We are having so much of examples according to the resources. That means oil, sand, stone, sunlight, moon, stars are the examples for the natural resources. If all natural resources are exhausted in the earth, what we feel? How we lead our life without any natural resource?
We feel very difficult. We feel very tough to live on that.
Yes. We can't take breathe. We can't take breathe. We can't lead our life in our daily routines. So, do you know the real meaning of the nature? Do you know the real meaning of the nature? Nature means that are not made by human. That means sorry. Animals, birds, stars are the comes under the nature. So we can't spoil our nature. So we have to leave ourselves. So we have to plant. We have to grow plants and we have to watering the plants. We have to increasing the value of the tree. So we have to every day by day gradually we are losing the natural resources. So that's why we can't live without natural resources. So that's why we don't do that we don't do that things. What are the benefits of growing trees?
Gives oxygen.
Yes, we take oxygen to breathe and we take leaves,
Fresh
flowers
air.
for the medical properties. How can we continue our daily life if the resources in nature are exhausted? I already said to you, we can't live without natural resources. What are the changes in our earth due to cutting plants? It causes global warming, it causes it causes
pollution.
Yes, it causes pollution. How this world become a green world?
By planting more trees.
Yes, by
not
planting
cutting-
more trees.
By protecting the trees.
Yes, that's it. Thank you.
All fun.
Draw the pictures which are related to the nature in your notebook. Thank you.